Hey guys, it's Rajvi and welcome back to my channel. So guess what? Today's video is a makeup tutorial. I'm going to do this easy and soft makeup look. First thing I do is moisturize my face. I am using the Cetaphil moisturizer because it is non-comedogenic and I like to use medicated moisturizers and face washes because I have a little sensitive skin. So the next step is applying primer. I'm using this Maybelline Dream One Day SPF 18 primer and I like this one because it is water based and it does not harm your skin or clog your pores, and if you have acne prone skin then this one would be a better choice. Next up is color correcting and I am using the MAC Studio Conceal and Correct Duo. The thing I like about this one is that you get a concealer and a corrector in one tube. I am using it on the pigmented area of my face and then blending it with my fingers.
Every night, love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. Been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you.
Now I am concealing everything with the Maybelline concealer. This concealer is really good and creamy and sits on your face perfectly. I am in the shade 30 Light Medium.
That I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I will.
And then I am taking my most favorite concealer of all, that is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer, to hide my blemishes. When I say my most favorite concealer, I mean it. This concealer is too good, man, and everyone should have this one because the consistency of this concealer is perfect. When you apply this concealer once, then you don't have to worry for the whole day. And sometimes when I'm lazy and I don't want to put makeup on my face, I just put this concealer on my bare face and blend it well and put some powder and I am good to go. Once I have applied my concealer, I wait for at least 2 minutes to let it sit and then apply my foundation. Now sadly, I have never ever found the perfect shade of foundation for my skin, so I like to use two different shades of foundation. The first one I will be using is the MAC Studio Fix in shade NW13.
That I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I will.
Second one will be the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long.
Now that our base is done, I would like to bake my face with the Pond's powder, which is a very basic product and everyone would be having it in houses, and I have it too, but I use it in a little different way.
I hope that you are safe and that I will see.
And then for the last step of my base, I am using the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade NW13.
I will.
Next up is eyebrows, and I am filling in my eyebrows with the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Eyebrow Pencil, and I like to keep my eyebrows thick, so I will be filling them really precisely, and it should not look fake, so you have to do it in a proper way.
And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now.
Starting with the eye makeup, I'm just putting some foundation on my eyelids for the base.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I will.
And then using the lightest cream shade from the Faces Canada Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette.
You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all
different nude colors for the base of my eye.
When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon.
Taking a nice blush pink color from the Faces Canada Ultime Pro palette 3-in-1, which has a blush, a highlighter and a contour in it. I really like this one because it is really handy. For my eyelashes, I am using the Faces Canada mascara. For people who have really tiny eyes, you need to put mascara on your eyelashes because it really opens up your eyes and looks pretty. Coming to my favorite part of makeup, that is highlighting, I am highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and then the bridge of my nose with the same Faces Canada Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette. I'm using a nice golden shimmery color for highlighting. To highlight my cheeks, I'm using the Color Bar Lip and Cheek Color Blush Shimmer in shade Rose Gold to add some color and shimmer on my cheeks. The blush, I'm using the Faces Ultime Pro. And then I'm doing the last step of this makeup tutorial, that is applying lipstick. I am using two different nude shades. One is from Huda Beauty. I don't know what shade it is. Second one is Color Bar. I think the shade is High Tea and this is a nice nude color.
We talk on the phone every night.
That's it for the video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and comment down in the section below if you want more of my makeup looks. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I share or post a new video.
Down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.